Hey guys, right there, independent AMSOIL dealer Chad Franks. Uncle Don, my last video showed Uncle Don needed a tree removed. He got a quote, he didn't like it, and I said, yeah, we can do that. So we knocked it out. He's still good. I got one of my toughies with me. He runs AMSOIL. Right there, we call him Parksy. Uncle Don. He's got the Tundra inlay. I don't know how that's showing up, but anyhow, so this is his 2016, right? With approximately 38 or so. 38. So he bought it brand spanking new.
Miles? That's 39.
39,000 now. So he's done a couple AMSOIL oil changes. Now, this is an example. This Toyota has the 5,000 oil monitoring system. He chooses to run our signature series for 10,000. And then he trains it with our filter. So at 10.
They're at 10.
10, yeah. So he goes to 5,000. It tells him to change the oil. He clears it, and then it tells him to change the oil again at 10,000. Then he drops it, but he's running our 25,000 mile rated. Also, so he bought this truck, and it's Toyota. But he got the TRD exhaust, but what we've been doing is trying to build him a TRD. So he's jumped up in tire size all the way to a 295 65 R18. So gives him plenty of room for clearance. The super lift, we put a super lift leveling kit, which is right there. So that is 2.4 inches. So we gave him a super lift, and when him and I were discussing about this lift kit, I said, well, we can buy an aluminum donut and put it inside the cage, and Uncle Don's pretty much gunny off Full Metal Jacket, so you don't mess with him. He said, well, I don't want my rides fricked up, and I don't want to, I want my truck to be normal. So I said, well, if we get the aluminum spacer and uncage the strut tower and put it in there, that's going to change your preload. So you don't want that. So we went with this super lift 2.4 inch spacer, which doesn't change the preload. The spring is caged at the factory rate. We just lifted it up. He did have to get an alignment. He went with these nice looking Goodyears. I've never been a Goodyear fan, but his thought was when we did it, and the factory tires, after we did the lift, there was a little scrub, and we made it to in the 30s, like 36,000, and we're like, oh yeah, it's rubbing. So alignment, brand new tires, and we jumped 2 sizes, and so yeah, these are pretty cool tires though. There's a lot of technology, but his thought, Uncle Don's thought was, because I have the Humvee, he's like, well, Jesus Christ, you've taken me places in that Humvee that I've never gone, and those are Goodyears. So he's getting Goodyears. All right.
Good enough for a Humvee.
There you
good enough for a Toyota.
There you go. So they've been keeping the boys safe for 15 years. So anyhow, hit or miss. It's also hit or miss lug here. If you take Super Swampers, they have a 3-stage lug. It goes little, medium, big, little, medium, big, little. So anyhow, all the technologies, this is called a hit or miss. You got grab, miss, you got grab, miss. So anyhow, but I was actually very, very impressed. We've been doing some rabbit hunting on some level B's and blah, blah, blah. So we got the super lift, simple. I think it was literally 50, 60 bucks to level this. We did that. Don, do you remember what fender flare you went with?
No, I can't remember where I got them, but...
Got them, but they're the really nice ones where you don't poke through the fender well. There's no drilling, there's no screwing. It's all factory.
It was all factory.
And it came from eBay. Then he got this old school Yoder grill. So there he be. And he got the bull guard. And I remember he put the bull guard on before the leveling kit. So he got a 3-inch tube, and it was like down here. And I was like, oh, thank God we're doing the leveling kit. But now we're all good and up. And maybe, who knows, next tires, he might say, one step higher, and it'll be an older truck, and he might trim, who knows. But it's a pretty sweet ride. And so, in essence, we're trying to build him a TRD from scratch. So, he didn't buy the TRD, but he does have the TRD exhaust. And so we're kind of getting there. We're more like 33 and a half, not the TRD 35s from the factory, but we're getting there, and it's fun, and I'm happy to give him free labor because it's what I do, and he runs my product and buys my product and thinks it's the cat's meow. Should we let him hear the TRD purr?
Sure.
All right, so he's gonna fire up this bad boy. So he's got the nice little swing in truck box, drop the tailgate, that swings out. My dog might bark at the exhaust, just fair warning you, but I'll tell you what, it's a pleasure to ride in this TRD, because you've seen my old stuff. I'm a young, growing family and stuff, so it's got nice little tone. So there you go. Yeah, so in essence, that's what we're going for. Uncle Don, we're building him a TRD. So, alright guys, just wanted to peek at this. One day I had the tires off the Humvee, we rolled it. I might make that the cover photo for this video, and it looks like a beast. So, I'll try to cap that in there. But, we just had a few minutes here. Uncle Don's dropping by to say hi. And Dad's raising babies, paying bills, tougher girls for America. Who doesn't ride their bicycle on a 32-degree day? How are you?
Good.
Are you a fox? What kind of stuff do fox eat?
Fish.
Fox eat fish? I'll agree with that. Would they eat a deer?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll eat lots of stuff. So, alrighty guys, that's just it. Oh, there's an old bully. So, I just wanted to show you that we're trying to build a TRD from scratch, and slowly but surely, we're all people with a day job. Up! Yeah, there's a 109-pound meathead. All right, later, guys.